Hello. In this video, I'll guide you on how to equip your army and Manor Lords to make them stronger for battles, whether it's defense or conquest. Equipment plays a crucial role in enhancing their strength. One way to acquire equipment is by upgrading your plot, eventually converting it into a workshop. For example, you can upgrade to an armor workshop to craft war bows, armor, and other essentials. Once your plot reaches level 2, click on the gear icon and choose the workshop type. Keep in mind that residents assigned to the plot will be dedicated to the workshop's tasks. After selecting, wait for the conversion to complete. Now, head to the General tab to choose what to produce. You'll see the required resources and output options. For instance, you can produce small shields. The residents in the workshop will start producing the chosen items, provided you have enough resources. Additionally, you can unlock advanced crafting options by spending development points, such as unlocking basic or advanced armor, making for crafting helmets and mail armor. Similarly, for weapons, you can craft sidearms, spears, and polearms in the blacksmith workshop. Check the summary to see what resources you need for crafting new units. Once you have everything ready, you can proceed to create units like Archer Militia. Ensure you have the necessary resources for crafting and equipping your army. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. See you next time.